Ahoy, shipmates! Look at the conditions this morning. This is a very pleasant relief to the wind and rains we've been having recently. And here, coming through the fog, the Ventura. Now, going back to those conditions we've been having recently, we've been having winds of 40, 50, 60 miles an hour and rain. But high-speed winds are not good for a drone. Thought I'd take the Mavic Mini out for a quick flight, and here's the Mavic Mini going flat out, barely standing still. But this morning, completely different picture. It's just glorious. There's a gentle fog bank that the Ventura came through. Unfortunately, I can't quite see it coming through from here. The fog bank was a little further down towards the Isle of Wight. I think it's a nice shadow cast from the bow. I mean, they're interesting pictures. Really sure I like the colours. A little too strong. Often happens on these autumnal days. The wind is light and the night is cool. Get a lot of fog on the water. But often the fog is quite clear here in port. It's mainly down at Cowes where the visibility is quite restricted, and that is the case today. From what I hear, there's not a lot of visibility in Cowes. And also the chain ferry is not working in Cowes because that keeps breaking down as well. But I think that's unfog related. You can see some lovely sunbeams coming through the antennas and funnel stacks on top of the Ventura here. A little subtle, but I like that effect. She's mooring at the berth just behind where she is now. So she's actually going to do a complete pirouette and more port side too. But before she does that, see if I can actually take a photograph that will really show the beauty of the foggy morning. I can just about see those sunbeams. I guess it's quite atmospheric. Might look better from the other side, of course, but it's beyond my range to fly on the other side. The Ventura, I believe, has been down in Tor Bay, along with a whole host of cruise ships and what's been referred to as a cruise ship car park. Ventura was launched in July of 2007 and christened in April 2008 by Dame Helen Mirren. She's turning around at a fair lick of knots here. Gross tonnage is 116,000. Length of 291 metres. Beam of 36. 19 decks in total, 14 of which are passenger accessible. Top speed of 21.7 knots, 40.2 kilometres an hour for you continental types, 25 miles per hour. Capacity is 3,192 passengers. Not that there'll be any passengers on board this one. It appears that the pause to the cruising season has been extended, with Boris enforcing another lockdown. Maybe I can get something here with the light reflecting off the side. What do you think? It's okay. But there is quite an interesting effect here, and you can see some mist hanging over the water. Can't really see that in the photograph. If I speed up the video, you can just see it wafting around nicely. It's like something out of a West End stage show with the dry ice. And the roller skating cats come out. There's also been a lovely large container ship arrive in port yesterday. The largest LNG-powered container ship in the world. Hopefully I can get some shots before she leaves. I think that's going to be the shot of the day. The old red jet passing by. Lovely ripples on the water. Bit of atmospheric fog. We'll call that one a keeper. Well, it's going to be another couple of days of good weather. A fair bit of traffic in port. So hope to bring you some more content. Specifically the CMA CGM container ship powered by LNG. Until next time, shipmates.